by forever chemist, infinitist, freestylist. The physical chemists never use their eyes and are lamentably lacking in chemical culture. It is essential to cast out from our midst, root and branch, the physical element and return to our laboratories. The country which is in advance of the rest of the world in chemistry will also be foremost in wealth and in general prosperity. Time is the best appraiser of scientific work, and I am aware that an industrial discovery rarely produces all its fruit in the hands of its first inventor. The chemists are a strange class of mortals, impelled by an almost insane impulse to seek their pleasures amid smoke and vapor, soot and flame, poisons and poverty. Yet among all these evils, I seem to live so sweetly that I die. May I die if I were to change places with the Persian king. Chemistry, unlike other sciences, sprang originally from delusions and superstitions, and was at its commencement exactly on a par with magic and astrology. Experimental science hardly ever affords us more than approximations to the truth. Experimental science hardly ever affords us more than approximations to the truth, and whatever many agents are concerned, we are in great danger of being mistaken. Chemistry begins in the stars. The stars are a source of the chemical elements, which are the building blocks of matter and the core of our subject. Still, I had a lurking question. Would it not be better if one could really see whether molecules as complicated as the sterols or were just as an experiment suggested? We think there is color, we think there is sweet, we think there is bitter, but in reality, there are atoms and a void. Every aspect of the world today, even politics, international relations, is affected by chemistry. Chemists do not usually stutter. It would be very awkward if they did, seeing that they have at times to get out with such words as all the words chemists get out the infinitist. They rarely stutter because of all the words they need to get out, like tongue twisters, rapper, infinitor, tornado, pa 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 pa. I saw that people trying to synthesize gold and silver were working in ignorance and by false methods. I then perceived that they belonged to two classes, the duppers and the dupped, the dupers and the duped. I pity both of them. A detective with his murder mystery, a chemist seeking the new structure of a new compound, use little of the formal and logical modes of reasoning. Through a series of intuitions, surmises, and fancies, they stumble upon the right explanations and have a knack of seizing it when it once comes within reach. Chemistry is necessarily an experimental science. Its conclusions are drawn from data, and its principles supported by evidence from facts. A fact acquires its true and full value only through the idea which is developed from it. Nothing can be more certain than this, that we are just beginning to learn something of the wonders of the world on which we live and move and have our being, trial by combat of wits and disputations. Disputations has no attraction for the seeker after truth. To him, the appeal to experiment is the last and only test of the merit of an opinion, conjecture, or hypothesis. We must reason in natural philosophy, not from what we hope or even expect, but from what we perceive. But a dream, within a dream, it seems, this demon keeps tormenting me within my dreams. It seems never stop speaking to me. Chemistry is the study of matter, but I prefer to think of it as the study of transformation. In chemistry, even the smallest reaction can have the biggest impact. Chemistry teaches us that every action has an equal and opposite reaction, a reminder that balance is key in life. Rhyme after rhyme, all night, night to night. Sometimes the most beautiful things can be found in unexpected chemical reactions. Chemistry is the ultimate art where molecules dance and elements sing. Chemistry is not just a science, it's a language that allows us to communicate with the universe. In chemistry, mistakes are not failures but opportunities for discovery. Rhyme monopoly. Chemistry is like a puzzle where each element fits together to create a beautiful picture. The periodic table is a roadmap to the secrets of the universe. Chemistry is the bridge between imagination and reality, rapping for eternity. In chemistry, precision is the key to unlocking nature's secrets. Chemistry is proof that the universe loves to create and recreate itself. In the laboratory of life, chemistry is the ultimate alchemist. Rapamababa, the infinitist. Chemistry reminds us that sometimes the most powerful reactions happen at the molecular level. Chemistry is the art of uncovering the hidden patterns of nature. Rapping, never ending occur. In chemistry, curiosity is the catalyst for discovery. Never stop rapping for eternity. Chemistry, poetry. Chemistry is the ultimate storyteller, revealing the tales of atoms and molecules. Chemistry is the study of possibilities, the magic of what could be. The infinitist, the forever chemist, infinitist, freestylist, lyricist, verbalist.